Napoleon Bonaparte, one of history's greatest military minds. His strategies conquered Europe, but did he really use birds as secret weapons? Today, we're uncovering the truth behind the myth of Napoleon and his wartime messengers. In the early 1800s, Napoleon's armies swept across Europe. Speed and communication were key to his victories. But how did he coordinate his troops across vast distances? The answer wasn't birds, but something even more revolutionary. Meet the Chappe semaphore, telegraph, a network of towers with giant mechanical arms. Messages could travel hundreds of miles in hours, not days. This was Napoleon's internet. Wait, what about pigeons? Birds were used in war, but not by Napoleon. Carrier pigeons date back to ancient Persia and Rome. Even during the 1870 siege of Paris, they carried microfilmed messages. But in Napoleon's time, no evidence. Napoleon relied on horseback couriers, coded letters, and those semaphore towers. Birds? They were likely just background noise on the battlefield. So why do people think Napoleon used birds? Blame Hollywood, folklore, and the romance of history. Pigeons feel like a Napoleonic tactic, stealthy, clever, dramatic. But the truth? His genius was in engineering, not feathers. Even the epic Battle of Waterloo gets tangled in myths. But if pigeons decided that battle, history books would have squawked about it. Birds did change warfare. Just later, in World War I, carrier pigeons saved thousands of lives. One named Cher Ami even delivered a message that rescued 200 soldiers. But Napoleon? He was ahead of his time, just not in the way we imagine. Napoleon's legacy isn't built on wings, but on innovation. So next time you see a pigeon, remember, they're not spies, just hungry. Thanks for watching. If you loved this history deep dive, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more myth-busting tales.